Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this yummy and tasty Dhaba style chicken masala. This is easy to make and is super delicious. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडियो देखिया चाहउछन्ती देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन रो लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first I have pre-marinated 500 grams of chicken here with 1/4 cup curd, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I have marinated it for an hour. Then in a blender jar I am taking 1 inch of ginger, 10 to 12 garlic cloves, 2 green chillies, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 green cardamoms, 3 to 4 cloves and 7 to 8 black peppercorns and 1 tablespoon of water. Blend to make a paste. Keep it aside. Now in a kadai, heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. To that add 1 teaspoon of Shahi Jeera, 2 bay leaves and 1 black cardamom. Saute for few seconds. Then add 2 finely chopped onions. Saute till the onions turn golden brown. Then add the prepared spiced ginger garlic paste. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add salt as per taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri Red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of Cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of Coriander powder. Give it a good mix. Then add puree of 1 tomato. Mix well and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Cook till all the water is evaporated. Then add the marinated chicken. Mix well with the masala. First cook the chicken with the masala for 4 to 5 minutes by continuously stirring. Cook it on high flame. Continuously stir it, otherwise it will stick to the bottom. Color and texture of the chicken changes after 5 minutes. Then add 1 cup of water, 3 sliced green chillies, 1 tablespoon of julienne cut ginger and give everything a mix. Then cover and cook on low-medium flame for 10 to 12 minutes. After 12 minutes our chicken is almost cooked now. We need to cook the gravy a little more, so cook without covering for 5 minutes for thick gravy. Finally add 1 teaspoon of garam masala and few chopped coriander leaves and give it a good mix. Turn off the heat and serve it hot. You can serve it with roti, chapati or naan or even with paratha, and this tastes absolutely amazing. The gravy is completely dhaba style and the chicken pieces are perfectly cooked. I have finally garnished it with a coriander sprig. And our delicious dhaba style chicken curry is so easy and quick to make, and this tastes super amazing. So you should definitely give it a try and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.